Let's talk about the key differences between Philips core-line recessed and Philips Ledinaire recessed panels. Both luminaire ranges work in different applications such as office, healthcare, education and retail spaces. Core-line offers energy savings of up to 66% compared to conventional lighting, with 140 lumen watts. Ledinaire offers up to 60% savings with 100 lumen watts. The core-line range comes in square or rectangular shapes, while Ledinaire is only available in a square shape. They are IP44. Core-line offers the multi-lumen option. For low glare and better visual comfort, choose core-line, that is flicker-free and offers office-compliant versions. Ledinaire is not dimmable, but core-line offers two dimming options, DALI and Smart Control. This means that the luminaire can be wireless connected to a smart lighting platform, Interact Pro. Emergency lighting versions can be found in core-line. Both families offer easy and fast installation with pushing connectors and pull relief. Core-line can be chosen with VLAN connector for faster installation. A wide range of mounting accessories is available. And as a plus, the core-line range has the NX mark. If you want to learn more about Philips recessed, check Recessed Panel in the Signify LumExpert app. Thanks for watching.